Hey there, good afternoon. This is Michael Hamilton, one of the founders of Swell Beach Bungalows and author of Vacation Rental Confidential. Continuing the mission of vacation rental owners to help other vacation rental owners. We know this isn't easy. This is not an easy business. It takes work, but it can be made easier. And one of the questions that a lot of our guests have, other investors that know us and other hosts in the area, they say, how do you list your properties as pet friendly? They fear their couches getting tore up. They fear liquids going into the carpets and other surfaces. So we opt to be pet friendly. One of the reasons is we recently became dog owners. I've been a dog owner. I've had dogs in my family all my life. But who wouldn't want to go on a trip with their pet, especially to the beach? It's absolutely ridiculous. Everybody wants to bring their pet, throw the ball around on the beach. It's an amazing experience. So it allows us to say yes to our guests. And once we said yes to our guests, we said, okay, well, what do we have to design in our places to make them more pet friendly, to add value to those guests? So we make sure all of our surfaces, our flooring is hard and it doesn't absorb liquid. So we do tile everywhere, we do laminates, and there's some other products that are out there. So those are just some that you can consider. So starting with the flooring, and also hard flooring also makes it very easy for cleaners to clean. And recently, this past year, we're looking for some more couches that would fit our spaces, and we found this company called Home Reserve, and they make modular couches. It's actually the couch that you're looking at here, this teal couch. They make ottomans. It's actually very, very comfortable. I'm 6'2", 220 pounds, something like that, and you'll see me sit on it. And I'm actually going to do a demo here. So the reason we opted for this couch is because it fit our space really well, but it's also pet friendly. This fabric is pet friendly. So, you know, imagine I'm sitting here, whatever. Oh, smokes. Oh, I spilled. Oh boy. You can see the way that water beads up right there. And, you know, they're just really, really easy to clean. So a couple of the main reasons to recap why we do pet friendly is, number one, we can charge more for it. We take in about $10,000 additional rental revenue annually for being pet friendly. So it allows us to increase our daily rates. We charge about $25 per pet per night. That's not a hard and fast rule, but it's typically in that range. It also allows you to upgrade your guests. And what do I mean by that? We can't host everybody. We can only host one person in a property at a time. Now, somebody that is walking their dog and, you know, has to bend down and, you know, pick up a load from time to time, that's a pretty tolerant person. We have very, very high cleaning standards, but if you can get more tolerant people in your places, it makes it a little bit better for everybody. You're not having the people that are expecting a Ritz-Carlton experience on a vacation rental or an Airbnb budget. So those are some of the main reasons. So there was three things I was intending to introduce to you in this pet-friendly video: the flooring, the sofa, and the last thing I was going to introduce to you is gates that we use in areas that we can section off for pets. So I mentioned earlier, we've taken in about $10,000 annually for pet fees. Well, we reinvest those proceeds to make our places even a little bit better. So we use entry gates like this. Super simple. It's got a bolt lock there. It's got some spring hinges. And these are really nice, and they're super easy to build. You can have a contractor build them. If you're a little handy, you got a chop saw or a skill saw, you can do them. And that's it. So the last thing that I was going to mention in this segment is we did write a blog article about pet-friendly short-term rentals, and that can be found on our blog site, so liveswell.com/blog, and there's an Airbnb investment section there. We even have resources, all the resources that we use as a vacation rental resources page. Super helpful. Thank you for watching.